Uloyalam ke AITC Dr. Mukul Sangma kasiba arja katayo ula Eng Skhem bakadan ke Jingkyshan Beain Dewiong ha ke jela Meghalaya bar ke Sorkar ke dan kti lam da kabale bambana AA.
If you expect the authorities who are responsible for emboldening all these illegalities that is happening, how do you expect any evidence to be generated? They will come back and say nothing is happening. Nothing is happening. Now we have proved beyond reasonable doubt that this is happening, and this is happening because of the kind of patronage being given by the people in authorities. Therefore, if the patronage is being given by the authorities, how can you expect these authorities to actually do justice? Do you expect a thief to catch himself?
Dr. Mukul uloong bamentau download iki sakhi satar ban pensisha yakane daki dur berki video tang daki kai pot nakaliang jong ke AITC uloong bakanum ailat yakum kini ki kambi ain ban yaija ha ke jela Meghalaya namar ba ke jingyo suk ya kapisa nakakamti Dewiong Beain ka ailat pat yaki be ki kampentrim ha ke jela.
That's why we have the hard evidence now. Okay, I'll see whether they act upon this issue or not. Let's see. Okay.
So
we will ensure that this whole illegality is stopped. I'm giving you my word. Yeah, they must stop it. Otherwise, what is going to happen? I'm telling you, out of these illegalities, many more other forces are getting funded, including the group of people who are trying to float new militant outfits. There is already movements taking place. And with this easy money coming to the hands of people, what are they going to do with this money? They are going to buy arms, sophisticated arms, and create the same kind of problem through which the state has gone through. I have flagged this issue earlier also. Internally, when we had a discussion and meeting with the government, that please understand one thing. Access to easy money because of illegalities will always give access to easy money for those who want to raise war against the nation. This is actual mining happening. Okay. Okay. With all your coordinates, if it is possible for the LO to have this, government with the whole machinery, how they can have? When not just once, but for so many times, not only the opposition,